We came down to SoCal today, and tomorrow we're gonna take Haley to Disneyland, but tonight we have some free time, so we came down to Street Faction and we're gonna hang out with everybody that's at the shop today. We'll see what kind of footage we get, but we're mostly just gonna hang out.
It looks really good though. Let's see it, bro. Let's see it.
This is where all the money is.
If you know, you know, huh? Big money right here.
Stock turbo, but once I get a bigger turbo, and then front mount intercooler, 500, 600 horses. But I think after the braking period, it should be like 350.
Oh, okay. Yeah, dude. This is nice. Yeah, they're normally V-mounted, right? Or like angled,
Slanted,
yeah, slanted, yeah.
V-mount, I think like this all gets cut out or something.
And then it goes like that, yeah. Damn, this looks nuts.
New gas tank, bigger injectors, bigger everything. except for the block, everything went bigger but the block.
So it's ready for a bigger turbo though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I just need a bigger intercooler.
Oh, okay.
Go front mount.
It is, man. It is, right? Ah, it sounds good, dude. Yeah, this thing sounds good, dude.
Are you having fun, Kaylee?
Yeah. I was right there.
He was where?
Right there.
He was right there?
Yeah. You wanna know my favorite part in this whole stuff?
What's your favorite part? Going to the other shop? What's your favorite thing in the other shop? The 3D printer?
Yeah.
Those are cool, huh?
That's one socket? What the heck? You said it was right here.
I mean, yeah, it kind of was hidden.
That's your weapon of choice.
Now I gotta find out overpowered drill.
Alright, let's go, dude. For the YouTubes, let's go.
YouTube.
For the YouTubes, let's go, dude.
All that resin. Oh man, it's just so painful to cut this, man.
Oh gosh. Yeah.
think you can probably put a little bit less actually. So yeah, because it's so big. I know it's like right here, put a little bit back out.
A little bit.
So you just like 40, 45?
Yeah, about there. It's a little cool all night.
Yeah.
You know? You only got one area, so you shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, maybe
Yeah.
put 45.
Yeah, you know what?
45 drops?
Yes, sir. How fast can you count?
Yeah.
You gotta watch your drops.
Does it come out fast? You'll see.
It's gonna be like, da, 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 da. Fully automatic, bro.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since we're it is an option. Use your rain and thunder, baby. I wonder, baby. I wonder. Put your sweats on me. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Can you teach her how to stop? Teach her how to stop? Like, does she just lean back
for example, you're gonna get on, you're gonna hold on to me, you're gonna bounce.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
How did she stop? How did she stop?
Is it hard? It looks kind of hard.
It's kind of hard.
She got it though.
Do you want to try?
Oh man, you did it. I have to do it.
The pressure.
All right.
I think.
All sauces jump off.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking why the card that you lose, yeah.
Just go slow. Don't try to go fast.
Keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely
Kind of scary, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get off.
It's the turning and the getting off the hardest part.
Yeah. There, that's how I got off. That's how we get off.
They just slide off of it.
Yeah. Here you go. You want to try? Oh, be careful.
Oh, jeez. It's kind of better though, or it's that the wheel is kind of flat. It like gives it more.
Yeah, because it feels like a circle.
Yeah.
That would be hard.
Oh yeah. I like that.
Just lean. Yeah. Yeah.
The hardest part is that you don't want to hit all the cars around here.
Cool, dude. This wasn't here last time we were here, right?
Not here. It was in a different.
Oh, it was over there?
Yeah. brought it over because we haven't been using it more.
Yeah.
And instead of having to walk back and forth, I just walk.
Oh, you could just grab it right after it's done?
Yeah, it's a good one.
What? I'm thinking it will be like red hot. Well, that's dope, man. There you go. It's some shift now.
Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.